You got Dumbledore, okay? Young, wonderful Jude Law, Dumbledore. He is perfect.
Jude Law is amazing.
Yeah, yes.
Amazing. I saw him do Hamlet once. It was mind-blowing. He's just amazing.
You know what's crazy about him is that he's got these... You know how Dumbledore is supposed to have, like, this glint in his eye? He has the glint.
He has the real glint.
It's there. And
That's not CGI glint.
No, it's not.
That's glint.
He'll lie and tell you it's not real, but it's real. Like, I first met him and I was like, those eyes aren't a normal shade of blue. They're kind of like crystals. And he knows it. He's like, oh, what's wrong, Dan? What's going on? And I'm just like, I don't know, I can't talk anymore. Yeah, he plays into it.
I love knowing that. It's a fun set, I bet, right? It's like going and playing with the kids out in the playground.
Yeah, it is. They cast it really nicely. They just cast people that are really fun to get along with and obviously super talented. And then David Yates is the director, and he's just so lovely. And like everyone involved is just so lovely. And this time, coming back was like sophomore year of college or something. You know? It's like old friends, and you know the ropes.
You know your way around campus.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got a nice vibe going.
It's such a pleasure, man. It's like I won the lottery or something.